Right. So we're down to first corner.
20 seconds.
Bearing left.
Yeah.
And then tightens on the turn 2. Go.
Ready?
We are indeed.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
There's nowhere near as much traction.
No. Right, watch the perch, there's one on your right. Keep left on exit for a square right and a square left. Possibly tight. That's a hip.
Flipping hell. I wouldn't expect to be that tight.
Yeah, heavy. Right, tighten it. Square left. Square right. Then we're going into a square left. Keep it tight and tiny. Watch the motor. Into a square right. Then a square right. Into a square left. Square right, into a square left, into a square left, into a square right.
It's just the same as before.
Yeah, keep right after the bill, into a square left, into a square right, square right, square left, into a left enemy single chicane, and split right. Split right. And then we're a right end reachable chicane. Right, when you come round, you're going to be up against the pit wall. You're going to do a right up to the pit wall. Yeah, and then a square right. Square left. Into the hairpin. Then we're left end reachable chicane.
Ah! Too fast into the same bit.
Keep left on exit for hairpin right. Into square left.
Oh!
Woo!
Ah! Oh!
Square left.
Rescued it.
Tighten it. Into a square left. Into a square right.
This was really tight, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oops, it
Really
is.
tight.
Ah!
Tight. Left. Square left. Into square right. Keep it tight and tidy. Into a square right. Into a square Into a square left. Left Henry, single chicane, and keep right in the split. Right in the split. Then right Henry, triple chicane. Into a square left.
Lost a bit of time there.
Yeah. In the square right. In the square left. In the square left. And square right. Keep right up to the bill for a square left. Into a square right. Square right. Into a square left. Left Henry single chicane and we're splitting left. Split left. Don't crash on the finish.
Not as good that one.
No, it's all one I got.
Obviously it was tight chicanes though.
Yeah.
But lost a bit of time with the stall, but we couldn't nip on the handbrake. But I don't know whether you smelled. Did you smell the
Yeah.
brakes burning?
Yeah.
I don't know whether when I pulled the handbrake it seized on.
Oh, right, okay.